T, P, Y, 38, 44, 50, dots, and so on and so forth. Determine I, the values of the letters. The values of these letters have to be determined. Then the second one, the 45th term. The 45th term, what term is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Until 45th, that's 45 terms, okay? The next 3 terms after 50. The next 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 after 50. So, this is also a confusing question if you do not understand what to do in the first place. So what we need to do here, first of all, we begin to write by solving, stating our solution clearly, what we want to do, okay? So let's not forget that here, the first term here is 8. That's the first thing. And the last term here is 50. So we take that into consideration, right? The first term, A, is equal to 8. That's the first thing. We don't know the common difference. Common difference is unknown. We need to find this. Take notes, okay? And then, how many terms do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have the T nth, okay? N term is 8, is equal to what? 8. So our Tn, so to say, is 8, so to say. So we have this is 8 pieces there, right? And then T is equal to, Tn is equal to 50. So from this we can now find the common difference, okay? All right, so let's see how it goes. We first of all state that our Tn, which is T8, is equal to first plus bracket open n minus 1 bracket close and then common difference. That's the formula we're going to use. What do we do next? Should be the next question. Now we substitute. So for T8 we have T8, okay, is equal to, for first term we have 8, we have 8. For first term we have 8, yes. But the total terms there, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first term is 8, okay, plus number of terms 8 minus 1. Common difference is not known. Do you see that? But all this is equal to 50. That's why we are asked to find the common difference. So what do we do? At this point, what we need to do is we state our 8 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 times D is 7D, all equal to 50. Very nice. What do we do next? We make this 7D becomes, we take this, okay? And to the other side, we have 50 minus 8. Yeah. Is correct. And then we now have 7D. 50 minus 8 is going to give us 42. 42. If we divide both sides, okay, if we divide both sides by 7, all right, this will take care of this, okay? Then 7 divided 42, it means that our D is equal to 6. Because 7 divided 42, each will get 6. So common difference in this case is equal to 6. So we have succeeded in finding the common difference in this, right? I might not do any other thing. If I want to be as fast as I can, I'll just say, okay, having found the common difference, I'll add 6 to 8, that's 14. Add 6 to 14, that's 20. Add 6 to 20, that's 26. And then add 6 to 26, that's 32. And so on and so forth. If you add 6 to 32, 38. Can you see him right? And then 6 to 38, 44. Add 6 to 44, 50. absolutely correct. If I just want to end there, that's okay by me. But the learning process is not incorporated. And that's the most important thing here. Let's incorporate the learning process. We have found, that's the first thing, we have found that our common difference is 6. The first term is 8. We cannot find the remaining ones. This is first term, okay? Take it. This is first term, right? This is second term. This is third term. This is fourth term. And then fifth goes that way, sixth, all right? On seventh and finally eighth term here, all right? So we need to find that. Formula for finding the second term, T2, all right, is equal to A plus 2D. Or plus D, not 2D, okay? Plus just D, all right? That's the formula for finding the second term. So plus D. Watch out what will happen here. What will happen here is simply we put the first term, which is 8, as I said earlier, plus the common difference 6. And we have found 14. So T2 is equal to 14. We found this. This is interesting, right? Okay, so let's go on and find the top 10, which is T, and this is, all right, we'll do that later. We find the top 10, which is T3, all right, this. The top 10 is equal to A, the first term, and then 2D. And we substitute, this is 8, and then we have 2 times 6. Let's look at it very well, so that we don't forget anything here. And this gives, what do we have here? This 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. So we have 20 here. Therefore, T3 is 20. We found the top 10. Anyway, after this, we're going to arrange the letters accordingly, right? Then the next one, we have T4. T4 is equal to first term plus, let me remove this. First term plus 3D, okay? And this goes this way. First term is already 8. Then 3, bracket open, we have common difference, which is 6. And we go again. 8 plus 3 times 6 is 18. Is 18. 18 plus 8 is going to give us 26. 26. Right. So T4 is 26. Correct. So we found this. Can you see it now? That's it. That is it. 26. So let's go again. We find T. This is the fourth one. Okay. The fifth one here. T5 is equal to A plus 4D. We substitute accordingly, alright? And then the first term is also 8, we've not changed it. The common difference is also 6, we've not changed it. So the next thing we have here, 4 times 6, 4 times 6 is 24 plus 8, and we have 32. Therefore, T5 is 32. Good. Found. Is there another one remaining? We found second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, respectively, to be 14, 20, 26, and 32, respectively. Also, so what do we do? Very simple. We summarize. We summarize. And in summarizing, we have that, we summarize this way, okay, that the letter X has value 14, right? The letter T has value 20, okay? All right? And then we go again that the letter P, 1, 2, 3, that's P, 1, 2, 3 has value 26, okay? Then letter Y has value 32. That's the value. These are the values of these letters found. Okay? These are the values of these letters found. quickly, we've done this. We have found x, t, p, y, respectively. Then the next thing, second question says the 50, 40, 50, 10. 40, 50, 10. Let's quickly do that. We already know our common difference to be 7. Okay? So let's take this more space to find that immediately without wasting any time. Common difference is 6. Alright? We are looking for 40, 50, 10. That's T45 is equal to A plus N minus 1 and D. So first term is 8, okay? Plus bracket 45 minus 1 and then D. So we have 8 plus 44D. Oh, sorry, D is a 6. So we have 6. 44 times 6. Alright? So what do? We multiply out 8 plus 6 times 4 is 24, right? 4. Carry 2, we have 2 remaining here. 6 times 4 again is 24 plus 2, 26 to 6. Okay? That's okay. L equal to 8 plus 2, 6, and now we give this is 12. We write 2, carry 1 into this. That's 7, right? And then we write 7, and then we bring down 2. That happens that way. Yes. So T45. The 45th 10. The 45th 10 here is 272. Okay? And finally, the next 3 terms. The next 3 terms after 50. Very simple. What do? The next 3 terms after 50 should be the easiest part of this question. And then let's just go. The next 3 terms after 50 should be the easiest. This is 50, okay? This. So we add 6 to this point. We add 6, becomes 56. We add again 6, it becomes 62. How many times now? 1, 2. We add again 6, it becomes 68. Oh, that's great. You know what? Because we are adding the common difference, which is 6. 6 to 50 is 56. And then 6 to 56 is 62. And then 6 added to 62 is 68. Therefore, the next 3 terms after 50 are 56, 62, and 68. We can put it here. 56, 62, and then 68. Maybe we stop at this point. That is it. Solved. So if I should show this, it should be in this form. AP, I have generated this AP to be 8, for x is 14, all right? And then t is 20, all right? Then p is 24, right? Okay, it goes that way. What again? We have y, can you see there? I hope I've not forgotten anything. The first one is this, second one is this, that is this, t is this, okay? Alright, and then T4 is 26, not 24. 24, come on. And then T5 is 32, alright? Okay, we go that way. And then 6 to 10 is 38. Can you see what I'm doing now? The 7 to 10 is 44. Then the 8 to 10 is 50. The next 10 is what? 56. Come on. The next one is 62. Alright? And then we have the next one is 68. Blah, 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 blah. Okay? Blah, 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 blah. So that is it. Can you see? I have generated the AP. Look at it. Very simple. I have completed the values of the letters, and the AP, the arithmetic progression, is complete. Look at the values. Come on. Interesting. Look at it. So first time, all that. Look at it. This, the arithmetic progression has been completed. No, nothing is missing. Letters have been found. The sequence has been completed. That's all. That's what it means. Okay, and I want to thank you once again for watching up to this moment. You know what? If I let you go, don't forget, subscribe. Give me some thumbs up, right? And then share with your friends, networks, and students.